Hi, I'm Denny Mayer, CEO of FlatPanel Audio. We are pleased to be here at InfoComm 2025 in Orlando. Great to be here. Today we're showing off our DML500 flat panel speaker technology, which is getting a lot of attention at the show because it solves a lot of problems that traditional point source speakers struggle mightily solving with. For example, on one panel, the frequency range is 8 octaves. So it goes from 85 hertz up to 24,000, so you don't have to worry about crossover issues. That's a big problem sometimes in getting a room to sound good. You can lose the vocal integrity by switching between devices. The next thing about the technology is the dispersion ratio is 165 degrees conically, which means horizontally and vertically, which means that covers a wide swath of any venue, whether it be a gymnasium, an airport, a house of worship. It makes it real easy for people to have the sweet spot experience that sometimes system integrators struggle to find for their customers. So this just covers the whole room. In one sense, the room becomes the sweet spot. The next element that many people love is the fact that the energy coming off a DML500 doesn't produce room echoes, doesn't produce comb filtering, doesn't produce slapback, doesn't produce hot and dead spots, which are things that are normally found in traditional point source speakers. With that said, the whole installation process is easier, it usually goes faster, and it produces a lot of happy customers. You can learn more about FlatPanel Audio at www.flatpanelaudio.com. Thank you very much.